Good morning friends. So today we are going to discuss about mean. In previous lecture we have already seen what is the central tendency, what is mean and when to use it. So in this lecture we have in that lecture we have seen that mean is important because it involves every data point. But sometimes that's also not required, so we use median or mod. For categorical data we mostly use mod. So in this lecture we are going to discuss how to calculate mean. So we already have seen that we are discussing the data which is group data and ungrouped data. In ungrouped data, and in ungrouped data we have seen one as raw data, other one is data with frequency. Data with frequency. Okay, so we are going to see how to calculate mean for each of these kind of data. So first thing we see how to calculate data for ungrouped mean for ungrouped data. And first we see how to calculate mean for raw data. So in raw data we know that frequency is not given, right? So for example, consider this data 7, 14, 9, 12, 8. So this is raw data because frequency is not given. And how we calculate mean? So mean for this data, sometime mean is also indicated by x bar. So mean is nothing but we just need to add this data point plus 8 and divide by number of observation, total number of observation. So n, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So we are going to divide it by 5. So now how, just add it, it is 50 divided by 5 which is equal to 10. So simply you just need to add the data and divide by total number of observation. That's how we calculate mean for raw data. Now next we see data for data with frequency. If data with frequency is given, how we are going to find mean? Okay, so here I write an example with frequency. Xi is given and frequency is given. How we calculate mean for this data? So formula for mean m equal to or x bar equal to is summation of fi into xi divide by summation of fi. So this summation of fi gives you total number of observation. Always remember this thing. Okay. So now I am going to calculate this summation over fi xi. So I will just make a table here in a proper way. So I am writing xi here, fi here and xi into fi or fi into xi. So alright, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the data points that is given. Just make a table like that, and here we are going to write sum. Okay, and what is fi? 4, 9, 10, 8, 6, 3. Now just multiply these two and write here xi into fi, multiply this to this. So 3 into 4, 12, 4 into 9, 36, 50, 6 into 8, 48, 6 into 7, 42, 8 into 3, 24. Okay, we just multiply these two here and now take summation here. So this will give add this thing, add all these number 4 plus 9 plus 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 3. So total is 40. So this is nothing but sum of fi. Now add this 12 plus 6, 36. So 6 plus 2, add all these things. So we will get 212. This is nothing but sum over fi xi or xi fi. So just substitute the values in this formula. What will I get? I'll get x bar equal to, I'm just substituting value here. So 2, 1, 2, this I got 2, 1, 2 divide by sum of fi. Sum of fi is 40. So I get 5.3. Okay, this is my x bar. So that's how we calculate the mean for grouped data, sorry, ungrouped data with frequency. For example, I'll just change one more example I am taking so that concept will clear. Here marks are given and number of students are given. Number of students are given. So marks are given 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And the number of students are 1, 3, 7, 5, 2, 2. Okay. So now my aim is I need to calculate x bar. The formula is sum over fi xi divided by sum over fi. So I'll just make a table xi fi into xi. This 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And the number is 1, 3, 7, 5, 2, 2. Multiply 3 into 1, 3, 4 into 3, 12, 5 into 7, 35, 6 into 5, 30, 7 into 2, 14, 8 into 2, 16. And add these numbers. So 1 plus 3, 4, 10, 1, 2, 2, 4. So this total is 20. Similarly, add these numbers. 3 plus 12, 15, 15 plus 35, 30. Total is 110. Okay. So this is nothing but sum of fi, and this is nothing but sum of fi into xi. Okay. Now substitute these value here in this formula. So I get x bar equal to this value I am substituting divided by 20. So this x bar equal to 5.5. Okay. That's how we calculate mean for ungrouped data but with frequency. Now we will see how to calculate mean for grouped data. Okay. So mean for grouped data. I'll just write an example. Okay. So I just write an example. This is a group data, right? Because we have the class interval here. So the formula for mean for group data is also same, sum over fi into xi divided by fi. So this frequency is given. Now this xi is not given. In the previous example you have a separate data point. So instead of data point, what you have here, you have a class interval, or the range is given here, some class upper limit and lower limit. So your point is how to find this xi. So this xi is nothing but central point or middle point of these two numbers. And how you calculate it? Just add these two, divide by 2. So upper limit plus lower limit divide by 2. That's how we are going to find xi. So xi we are going to find here. So this will be 0 plus 10. 0 plus 10 divided by 2, which is 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So my xi for this class will be 5. Right? So where xi is, I am just writing a formula here. Xi is upper limit of class plus lower limit of class divided by 2, right? So I'm just writing here a table, class interval, okay, and here I need to calculate xi. Fi is given to me, and then I'll going to find the fi into xi. Okay, so class interval like this. Now xi is class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Okay, this I write here. Now just calculate xi. So I am just calculating here. What will I get? 0 plus 10 divided by 10, which is 5. 10 plus 20 or 20 plus 10 divided by 2, which is 30 divided by 2, that is 15. Next 20 plus 30, 20 plus 30, this 50 divided by 2, which is 25. Then 30 plus 40 divided by 2, that is 70 divided by 2, that is 35. And 40 plus 50, 80, 80 divided by 2, 40. So that's how we calculate xi. And the remaining calculation are the same that we have done here. Now you have xi, just find, fi is given here. I am writing 15, 18, 21, 17, 12. Okay, so I write here. Now multiply these two and you will get fi into xi. So fi into xi, what I will get is 575, 270, 525, 595, and the last value is 540. Just use calculator. Now add these numbers, all these numbers, so we will get summation of fi we will get here. So when we add all these things, we get 83, and when we add all these things, we are getting 2005. So this is our sum of fi into xi. Now just substitute the value in this formula, and we will get the mean. So our mean will be, x bar equal to 2005 divided by 83, okay, which is equal to 24.156, or we can write it as 24.16. So this is my mean, or x bar, 24.16. Okay, so that's how we calculate mean for group data and ungrouped data. I hope you understand the problem and concept. Just try one example, see what you get. So find out the mean for this example. 0 to 10, I am giving ungrouped so that the concept will clear. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Okay, so 50 here, and 5, 8, 15, 16, 6. Okay, so try this example. I hope you understand the concept. I hope you enjoy the lecture. Till then, have a nice day. Bye. Thanks for watching.